for Farm and Country Radio. And where are we, by the way?
South of Atwood, about 15 miles and 4 to the west.
Okay, are we in Thomas County or?
We are in Rollins County.
Rollins County.
By 2 miles.
By 2 miles, okay. And so I'm speaking with Christian
Pistorius.
Okay, perfect. You guys have already been to Oklahoma.
Yep, that's correct.
Okay, how was the, we will get into Kansas business, but how was Oklahoma? How were their crop yields?
Wheat harvest was fair. I mean, it wasn't something to ride home about, but it was pretty good for how dry it's been.
Okay, so they are suffering the same crop conditions.
They're suffering the same conditions,
Okay.
just not as the extent that you have here.
Oh, okay. Worse, but
Yeah,
good to
it's
know.
way worse.
Okay, and so how many farmers have you come through thus far? In Kansas.
In Kansas, it would be 5.
And how have the yields been?
The yields, anything that's on some was following summer fallow, was pretty decent, 40s to 50s. Stuff when it's wheat on wheat, you can see it range from 5 bushels to 25, and then wheat on corn is anything from 5 to 10. I mean, it varies where they had rain and all those nature issues.
That is the perfect way to describe it, nature issues. So how many combines and grain carts do you have running?
In this area, I've got 2 in this field, 2 combines, 1 cart, and then field over, there's 2 combines, 1 cart, and then by McDonald, I've got 3 combines and 1 cart.
Okay, so now you are the crew lead for all of this, correct?
That's correct, yeah.
Okay, and you are from South Africa.
Yep.
How did you end up with this position? I'm just curious.
Kind of took a leap year after high school and I wanted to do, so I came over on a visa. 1 year, leap years, and by my 3rd year I kind of got the hang of it, the crew lead position.
Okay.
Yep. I have a resident of the United States now. And
Welcome. Okay, so in terms of comparison of crops, like where you were in Oklahoma to here, is it kind of the same? Makes sense.
It's not as dry as it's been here.
Yeah.
I think the rainfall average here has been 7+ inches under the usual. So it's not a great sight out here, and you can see it in the corn as well. The corn is really struggling.
Yeah, there is a major deficit for sure. And so where are you guys headed after Kansas?
Pierre, South Dakota.
Okay. Are you more optimistic about what's going to happen up there?
Yeah, we're pretty optimistic. They've had decent rains, and wheat's still a week behind, which is good. So we've got more time to fill and get a decent yield. And right now, everybody's still
That's good. So can you say something in Afrikaans?
Goeiedag.
Which means?
Good day.
I love it. It's brilliant. You speak Afrikaans. It's on the list. It's on the list. Well, Christian, it was really lovely talking to you. Thank you for taking time. And again, you are with Olsen Custom Farms.
Yep.
Is that right?